Leaving man.
I was just in that point talaga na I was ready for change. I feel like I've grown so much personally and pati na rin sa career ko na I felt like this is the time to start exploring, to start challenging myself talaga. Because I'm already 26, so not well. And yun nga, sakto rin po na the blessings just fell into my lap. Sakto-sakto yung timing. So sabi ko, ito talaga siguro yung God's time talaga para gawin ko yung mga to. Kaya I have fears, not generally because of having a different co-star, but I had my fears, and also coming from a love team, I knew na it would be hard then. Like, the love team culture is very different than and I knew that some people wouldn't accept. It would be hard for some people, and I totally understand that. But at the end of the day, then kasi I know that this is work, and to me, work is the most important din talaga. So exploration ang word of my life right now. Talagang I'm working with so many different people. Ang saya din. Pero this one with Jello, it's giving. It's very vibey. Yun nga sabi ko eh. Parang, ano lang, magaan lang siya. So I'm very thankful kasi they're really making it a very healthy and positive environment for us. Happy shipping lang sila. Kasi alam naman din nila na I'm working with different actors and Misbehave next. From from PCD to Misbehave. And who knows? What else? So, ayun, vibes lang, happy. There was a line na parang, of course, I'm misquoting, hindi ko matandaan exactly, but sometimes your passion can't be your career. Parang you cannot just pursue your passion, syempre, if you want stable income, yun nga, sabi nga ni George, passion lintik na passion. Diba? So, that's really true, but ako, thankful na lang ako na so far, I'm able to do my passion as my work na din. But I feel like when the day comes, I've had questions. I've asked myself a lot of times, is this for me? Am I pursuing this for nothing? Is this the career that's for me? But thankfully, time and time again, the world shows me, God shows me that. And for my final act of love, I will let you go. Yung mga gano'n, totoo yun. Sabi nga nung kanta, when you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. So sometimes applicable talaga siya. Pinaglaban mo, nasa kung pinaglaban mo, but sometimes it's what's best. For, not just for you, but also for your partner. It's not that you're taking the easy way out, pero parang mas magkakaroon ng damage minsan kapag you hold on too much. Ako yun, I-realize ko yun talaga. You should never make yourself smaller for other people. You should never dim your light. Personal ko lang naman yun. You should never, never. Pero ako lang naman. You should never dim your light just for other people. I feel like I'm a mix of the two naman. I'm a mix of the two characters. Pero hindi ko alam kung kanino ko mas nagiling towards. Hindi naman ako takot malamangan. Hindi rin ako kasing selfless. Gitna na lang po. Gitna na lang. Ayun, I'm a mix of the two characters, I guess. Ito, hindi mo naman kailangan maiyak para masabi mong tinamaan ka eh.
Yeah.
Alam ko sa puso ko, tinamaan ako. Grabe din naman ako magmahal. Pero kasi mahal ko rin talaga yung career ko. So, conflicted ba? Pwede balikan kita dyan. Dahil nga mix ako nung dalawa, hindi mo naman kasi masasabing may mas nagmamahal.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi naman sabihin nun, mas malakas yung isa or hindi naman siya competition. So, basta grabe ako magmahal.
Career.
As of today, May ganito, anong oras na? As of today, career po ang pinipili ko. Pero magbabago din naman yan, syempre, kapag gusto ko ng ikasal. Pero ngayon, work muna. I would recommend it very much. Yes, I'm... First of all, you gotta see Dondel. You have to. Their chemistry, crazy. And ganyan nyo lang, ibang Dondel ang mapapanood niya dito.